So this is Watchman. Watchman actually sits right at the entry of Zion National Park, watches the canyon, thus it's called Watchman. This trailhead's kind of tucked away, so it's not a very crowded hike. So if you're looking to get rid of the crowds, this right here is the South Campground. There's an easy walking path from there to come up on the trail. Okay. Don't have to take the shuttle, so that's nice. Shuttles are usually pretty packed. If you or someone you know is planning a trip to Zion National Park, or someone that moved to the area recently that want to get out on some trails, please go ahead and share this video with them. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks.